Estar and prepositions practice questions. So, what I want you to do is I want you to translate these phrases to Spanish. So, use your notes page that you just filled in to complete this. So, number one says, I am near the desk. For that one, to say I am, you're going to have to look at your notes page, right? That's going to be in the yo area. So, you're going to put yo estoy, and then near, you have to look on your notes page. Near is going to be cerca de. Don't forget that de. Cerca de. And then you need to know how to say the desk. The desk is el pupitre. Now, I could just do this, but that's not right. I learned from the video that I just watched that de and el, when they're together, they just become del. So once you have that, put it over here so it looks a little bit better. Once you have that, then you are good to go. So you can see there is the correct answer. Yo estoy cerca del pupitre. So now you have to do that for the rest. The pens are under the table. Use your notes pages to be able to get that. Then it says, write 3 sentences in Spanish describing our classroom or your bedroom and items in it. Obviously, if you're describing your bedroom, I want you to use classroom vocabulary, right? So I'm just talking about like your study space where you're at. So the desk is next to the television, or the chair is under the desk. Things like that. Simple. It doesn't have to be beautiful and crazy. So that's it. That's your homework.